United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 42, Laws and regulations of states bordering straits relating to transit passage. 1. Subject to the provisions of this section, states bordering straits may adopt laws and regulations relating to transit passage through straits, in respect of all or any of the following. A. The safety of navigation and the regulation of maritime traffic, as provided in Article 41. B. The prevention, reduction and control of pollution, by giving effect to applicable international regulations regarding the discharge of oil, oily wastes and other noxious substances in the strait. C. With respect to fishing vessels, the prevention of fishing, including the stowage of fishing gear. D. The loading or unloading of any commodity, currency or person in contravention of the customs, fiscal, immigration, or sanitary laws and regulations of states bordering straits. 2. Such laws and regulations shall not discriminate in form or in fact among foreign ships, or in their application, have the practical effect of denying, hampering or impairing the right of transit passage as defined in this section. 3. States bordering straits shall give due publicity to all such laws and regulations. 4. Foreign ships exercising the right of transit passage shall comply with such laws and regulations. 5. The flag state of a ship, or the state of registry of an aircraft entitled to sovereign immunity, which acts in a manner contrary to such laws and regulations, or other provisions of this part, shall bear international responsibility for any loss or damage which results to states bordering straits.